I got a very interesting message from one of you on Instagram saying that you had a lot of leftover inventory and you were wondering if I wanted to come pick it up. Always, even though I don't technically need inventory right now, of course I'm gonna go pick it up. I think there's some really good stuff in there from what she shared with me. I think this will be expensive because this is a nice brand. This will probably sell for $75 easy. I think these will sell for $200. That's $350 right there. So I want to take you guys along. I'm going to take the GoPro and let's see what kind of amazing stuff she has. TJ doesn't know. We already have all of this stuff, you guys, in that. He doesn't know. But I got so much more. This is a problem.
FBI, open up!
Great. Okay, well then I'll just pull my car. Can I pull it in the driveway?
Yeah, you can. Just right
okay.
behind me.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do real quick is, because I know not everything in here is sellable, I'm gonna take what I don't think I can sell quickly or easily on eBay and sort it out and take it to a consignment shop right here. Day Trip's not a great brand, so we'll do that. This is nothing. J-Lux label. Marks are good. Okay, so here are the brands I'm gonna be trying. It's 2 boxes full of just things that don't move as quick or not for as much, and we'll see if they take any of them and what I can get. Hi, I dropped some stuff off earlier today. Can I check on the status? 85? Okay, perfect. Perfect, thank you so much. So as you guys saw, I went to Uptown Cheapskate and they actually gave me back $85 for all that stuff that I dropped off, which is great. That was stuff that I just didn't want to sell, mall brands, Target brands, Fashion Nova. So that's just a really great way to liquidate stuff that you can't sell or don't want to sell. And what I'm left with are a lot of good things that I think I can sell for good money. So let's do a fast and furious add up of everything that I got and check out some of these goodies. I'm $415 in the hole, so let's see if I can climb out and make some decent profit with this. We have a I kept this because God is dope. I kept this because it was cool. Great message. I don't know if I can sell it. Okay, very cool. This is a soft surroundings maxi dress. Retails for $130. That should sell for like at least 65 to 70. We've got some Zara trousers and these retail for 50 bucks. They are like the wider leg. And yeah, since they're brand new, this is at least $25. We've got a redhead polo. I actually have a couple of these. I'll probably lot them together and sell it for like 35 to 40. Okay, we've got some Posh Peanut. I feel like I heard this was expensive, so that's why I hung on to it. So Posh Peanut sells for like $30 new on eBay. So that's why I hung on to it. Stio is a really expensive activewear brand, and these fleeces can sell for like $40 to $80 new. It's a really expensive activewear brand. I think I have a few of these, so very exciting. Natori is a very expensive bra brand. This retails for $65 and I think I could sell it for like 25 to 30. This is a brand I hadn't heard of. It's Hermano.
She kept using this guy's name, like Hermano.
And it felt very nice. I see this on ModSense for $95. I don't see a lot of comps on eBay, but I think this is like a $75 hoodie. So really great find. This is a brand you want to look out for. It's called Camila Coelho, and this is a silk mini dress, 1-shoulder dress. So this is probably like a $100 dress, which is so exciting. So we actually have 2 of the Camila Coelho dresses for $100 each. So exciting. We've got some Puma soft foam sneakers, and yeah, these are probably like 35 bucks. Okay, next box. Under Armour bra here, again, brand new. Retails for 40 bucks. This is probably like $20. I think I have a couple of those in here actually. Another one here. So this is a brand called Lioness, and I've sold this before and it sold really well. Oh, these are some like very wide leg Janko style wide leg jeans. These super baggy jeans will probably sell great for like 50 bucks. Another Under Armour basic. I like selling Under Armour. $65 brand new. This will probably sell for 30, 35. Okay, this is a Washington football team McLaren Salute to Service jersey. So that's why it's olive green. I see this selling online for like $70. So I think that might be what I can get for it. Sometimes when things are like this and they're limited edition, they sell for more on eBay, so we'll see, but let's put it at $70 for now. Some Cutter and Buck. This is like a men's polo brand. It's nice. Probably like 30 bucks for that. More Under Armour. This is a double XL. Great size. Probably 30 bucks. I really love the $20 to $30 sales. They keep my store going all the time. They sell quick. Under Armour is one of those brands. They just sells fast for me and it sells well. Some Abercrombie cargo sweats. These will sell great. Retails for $59, so probably like another $30 here. Ooh, we've got some Tory Burch Sport. Love Tory Burch, brand new with tags. Retails for $148. That's crazy. Yeah, this should sell great. At least $75 on this. Adidas retails for $65. I actually just sold a bunch of Adidas joggers really quickly for $35 each. So I think that's about what these will sell for also. Like I have a velvet furry texture. We have two brand new Lululemon adjustable yoga mat straps. So let's see what these go for. Probably not a ton. They retail for $28 each, so probably 20 bucks each because Lulu retains its value pretty well. Yeah, so $40 right here. And I have 17 marine layer, what are these, shirts or dresses? This is the Lexi Rib Daytime Midi Dress. So let's look this up, but I think this will be expensive because this is a nice brand. These dresses sell for like $50 each on eBay, and I have 17 of them, which is crazy. That's so exciting. Oh my gosh. Guys, that's $850 right there. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay, we've got some Clarks. I actually have enjoyed selling Clarks brand new. These will sell for probably like $40. So this is a great comfort shoe brand. Another bra, Fredericks of Hollywood. It's probably like, it retails for $44.50, it's probably like 20 bucks. LRG, Lifted Research Group. I have enjoyed selling this brand as like a graphic tee brand. Yeah, this retails for 30 bucks, so, you know, probably 20 bucks because it's new. Some more Stio. These are some joggers and they're fleece, really nice. Yeah, these should sell for like 50 bucks. Okay, I don't know what this is. Meta? The brand is Meta? Is that like Mark Zuckerberg? Like, I don't know, NRG? Hopefully like, I don't know. Let's just say 25 bucks, and if it's anything cooler, future me will let you know. This is another one I couldn't figure out. It's Confession Night Base to Chami. I don't know what that is. AC Slater? What? Saved by the Bell? I don't know.
Hit it.
Yeah, I have a couple of these shirts. Again, I don't know. I don't know what they are. If I find out, I will let you know. We have Wild Fox. Wild Fox is a great brand. It hasn't been selling for as much as it used to for me, but I think these sweaters will do great because it's winter time or fall time. So because it's new with tags, probably like $30. We have a big Topshop trench coat. Topshop's not my favorite brand. It's sold at Nordstrom. I don't pick up like their basics or their t-shirts or jeans or anything, but the trench coat should do well. These kind of oversized trench coats especially are really popular right now, really on trend. So I think this retails for $148. I think I could sell this for 100 bucks. I really do. A Columbia fleece zip up, you know, 25 bucks. It's a 3X, so that'll sell great. Brooks Brothers, that's like another, well, retails for a lot, $118. This is probably 50 bucks. Guys, what is this? What is this? This is something. This is like a Wolverine. It says the year is 2002 X-Men Wolverine button down. Is this vintage? It's an all over print, which we know is exciting. Is this something? This has to be something. Yeah, it says 2002. I'm gonna have to ask somebody. I feel like this could be really good. Okay, I'm seeing a comp that this sold for 60 bucks on Grailed, which is great.
You're in luck, sister.
Okay, we've got another Soft Surroundings dress. And this, I think, will be in the same vein as the other one. This will be 60 bucks. A little Princess Polly dress. This is called the Empress of Love mini dress. I don't know, it's probably like $30. Okay. We have this pretty Zara like duster cardigan. It's silky. This retails for 70 bucks, so 30 bucks. Some Lucky Brand shorts. Probably like $15 there. Nothing great, but it'll sell. Okay, this is a True Craft hoodie. It retails for 50 bucks, so I don't know, 25. Okay, we've got like, I don't know, it's probably 20 bucks there. I don't know. This is a Snuggie? Like, I don't know what this is. Collegiate licensed product. This is like what is this? I think, is it like a comfy? So it's like a big wearable blanket? Okay, so So this is like a Foco Hawkeyes, Iowa Hawkeyes wearable Sherpa hoodie. So it's like a blanket. Looks really cozy. I see these selling for quite a bit of money, so maybe 40 bucks here. I have quite a bit of a brand called J Lux Label, which I kind of felt like was a mall brand or like a little boutique-y brand, but it looks like it sells decently well on eBay. So because I have quite a few pieces and they could sell for like $20 to $30 each, I hung on to them. I was going to just take them to the Uptown Cheapskate and see what they gave me, but yeah, I think these won't sell too bad. So I have 7 pieces, and at 30 bucks each, that's like at least, I don't know, about $200. Now for the exciting part, because these are some really nice jeans. Okay, we have a ton of amazing jeans here. This is actually what made me buy from this person. We have Frame Les Sylvie Crop. These retail for $248. So I think these will sell for like $100 easy. Some Miss Me. These retail for $104. Miss Me doesn't sell for quite as much as it used to, but brand new. These should still sell great. Probably 50 bucks. I have 7 pairs of a brand called Etika. I don't even know how to say that. These are the Brigitte Mid-Rise Crop. These are an offshoot of Frame. I think they're housed in the same company. These retail for a bunch of money and sell on eBay for like $40 to $50 each. So I'm gonna say 50 bucks each because they're brand new, and I'm really excited to see these go. These are great. So 7 times 5, that's $350 right there. We got some Joe's jeans that are brand new. They retail for $168. These are like mid-rise skinnies. I don't think these will sell super fast. Joe's jeans don't move for me, but maybe 30 bucks here. Got some more Miss Me, another 50 bucks. Pretty easily there. Can. You guys know I enjoy Can. These are the high-rise flare, so these should sell really great because this style is kind of on trend right now. Yeah, I think these will sell for $35 to $40. And then just some lower end jeans, but they'll still sell for, I don't know, 25 bucks each. This brand you need to keep your eyes out for because it's really nice. This is a brand called Moosey. I think that's how you say it. These retail for $325. These sell for $200 easy. They're a very popular jeans brand, very high end. I think these will sell for $200 all day, especially because they're brand new. So very nice brand. Please be on the lookout for it. These sell great. I saved a really exciting one for last. This is a brand called Love Shack Fancy. You've probably heard of it. I sold a Love Shack Fancy jacket for $600 a little while ago, so it's a very nice brand. I want to see what the retail cost is, and I'll look up comps on it. I haven't really looked it up. I don't know. It's not like, again, the jacket was really nice, so this is more of a basic, but this is an extremely popular brand. Retails for $125. Okay, it's just a very basic shirt, but like you can see, $125 for a basic means that their other stuff is really high end. So yeah, Love Shack Fancy, again, really popular brand. This will probably sell for $75 easy. All right, you guys, a rough estimate here. I've been adding things up as we go. We have like $3,500 worth of stuff to resell here. So when you take out my initial investment of $400, that leaves me with $3,095. Of course, there will be fees and taxes and all that stuff, but still we have at least $2,000 in profit here after everything, at the very least. So definitely worth my time. Thank you so much to my wonderful friend on Instagram for reaching out, because there's some really great stuff here and I'm so excited to list it. Huge scores today. You guys are the best. Thank you for tagging along with me. I always love taking you along on my little adventures as I go find amazing things to resell online from home. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to follow my journey, learn about how to resell things, learn about how to make money from home. This is the place for you. Thank you again. I appreciate you. Take care, and I'll catch you next time.